Hello students, continuing with the 7th lesson, and in this 11th lesson we are going to learn about the next point, and the next point is leaf of the plant. Next point is leaf. Now leaf. Okay. Now this is a leaf. Now this is a leaf. Okay. Leaf is the part of a plant. Leaf is the part of the plant, and it has two parts. One is leaf blade. Leaf blade. The flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. Okay, the flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. Okay, leaf blade. The flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade, and then veins. The running line across the leaf. The running line across the leaf are called veins. Okay. Now there are two parts of the leaf. Okay. And then now we are going to see the functions. Functions. What is the work? The work done by the leaf, that we are going to see. What is the work of the leaf? That we are going to see now. Okay. Now, actually, this leaf is called kitchen of the plant. This leaf is called kitchen of the plant. Why it is called as kitchens of the plant? It is called kitchen of the plant because this leaf makes food. This leaf makes food for the plant. Okay, leaves are making food for the plants. That's why they are called as kitchen. That is why they are called as kitchen of the plant. Okay. Now the next thing. Okay. See the color. See the color of leaf. Okay, the color of leaf is green. Why this color of the leaf is green? The color of the leaf is green because it contains chlorophyll. And due to this chlorophyll, leaf can take the sunlight, which is very important in the process of making food. Okay. So leaf takes sunlight. Leaves take sunlight from the sun with the help of substance called chlorophyll. Wait. Okay. With the help of this green color, the green color is very important for taking the light from the sun. Okay, and the light of the sun is taken with the help of this substance called chlorophyll. Okay, this is done now. Now the next. Okay, in the process of making food, the plant requires air, water. The plant requires air, water and the sunlight. These things are required by the plant, by the leaves. Okay. Now next. Okay, in the process of this food making process, in the process of making food, the oxygen is released. Oxygen is released very much. That is very important for all of us for taking breath. Okay. So oxygen is released in the process of food making. Okay. Now the next. After this, Okay, some plants, some leaves store food. Some leaves store food in it, and some leaves we are eating, that are for example coriander, okay, spinach. These all leaves we are eating. Pale bhaji, we are eating pale bhaji, okay, that are nothing but leaves. That are nothing but leaves. We are eating different leafy vegetables that are for example spinach, coriander, and many other things. Okay, so we are some leaves store food in it. Okay, some leaves has a capacity to store food in it. Okay, so this is all about the leaves. This is all about the leaves. Now flower. Flower. Flower is the colorful part. Flower is the colorful part of the tree. It is colorful, it is brightest part, it is very attractive part of the plant. Okay, and it is very helpful in giving seed. It is very helpful in giving seed. It is very helpful in making fruits. Okay, it is helpful in making fruit. Okay, due to with the help of flower we get fruit. Okay, and with the help of fruit we get different kinds of seeds. Okay. Okay, and now these seeds are very helpful in the production of new plant. Okay, now some flowers we are eating. We are eating some flowers that are, some flowers we are eating. Some flowers we are eating, that is cauliflower. Cauliflower we are eating. We are eating broccoli. It is also a flower that we are eating as a vegetable. That we are eating as a vegetable. See, flower is very attractive part of the plant. It is very attractive. It is colorful part. Okay. So today we have learnt about the leaf blade. Flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. Veins, the running lines across the leaf is called veins, and the functions of the leaves are kitchen. Leaves are called as kitchen of the plant, and it takes the sunlight. Because how it takes the sunlight from the sun? Because it has a chlorophyll substance. It has chlorophyll substance in it. Now, in the process of food making, the oxygen is the leaves gives away the oxygen, which is very important for all of us for breathing. Okay, some leaves can also store food. Okay, now flower is another part of the plant, and which is very colorful, attractive part of the plant, and which is very helpful for making fruit and the seeds, and seeds are very helpful in the production of the new plant. And some flowers we are eating, that are cauliflower and the broccoli. So this is there, and you just keep this all in the mind. Okay.